Hey sweet friends, and welcome back to Nina's Place. Today we're going to go through the beginnings of our flooring renovation. You'll see where some of the flooring has been removed and the new flooring has been installed, and some of the old flooring is still there. So it's a beautiful transition video today. I hope that you guys enjoy it. You'll also get to see me navigate moving things every morning while we work through this process with the contractors that are installing the flooring. So enough talking, I'm just going to turn the video over and you guys enjoy. Thanks. And y'all, there's nothing more awkward than trying to move an extra large dog crate. You'll see right here, I'm just trying to get it to the old flooring so then I can just slide it or push it across the floor. Because at this point, we don't care if we damage the floor but so much. So anyway, some creative maneuvering here on my part to get the crate outside. When you're going through a flooring remodel, this is really just the joys of shoving stuff where you have space to shove it and praying that it's out of the way for the contractors. One of my favorite things about being a dog mom is that I always have a supervisor lurking around somewhere, making sure that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing and doing it the right way. So you see Gus here making sure that Mama's doing what she's supposed to be doing today and staying on task. So here you're seeing me shove stuff in our master bathroom. You also saw earlier in the video that there were things in our spare bathroom, which is also my son's bathroom. We were not replacing the flooring in those bathrooms. They're tile flooring, and the tile is still in very good shape. We still like it. to me it's still stylish enough for me to keep it in my home. So it was really a blessing that we were not replacing those floorings, because it, you know, gave us somewhere to store stuff while the contractors were here replacing the flooring in our other rooms. So it was really convenient to just shove stuff in the bathrooms. So I'm not really sure how we want to set the living room up after we get the flooring completely finished. So if you have any opinions or thoughts on that, you know, definitely leave those down in the comments below. We've had the same setup for a little while now, and it would be nice to have something different, but also something that, you know, is family oriented, where we can sit and watch TV together and just hang out. So if you have any opinions, let me know below. And here comes sweet little Archie saying hello. If you guys want to say hello back, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down in the bottom and let him know that you're saying hi. And now I'm going to take you down in the basement. It's a little bit dark because I haven't cut the lights on prior to heading down, but I wanted you to see kind of what a mess this is, where all of our stuff's being stored. We are not remodeling the basement in any way, shape, or form in this remodel. And so we essentially, thankfully, had the space down here to store all of our stuff that we needed to get out of the way for the contractors to install the flooring. So you'll see it is not pretty, but it worked. So just taking you along, we're going to open up the basement this morning because this is where I'm working during these days. This is really going to be it for this video, so I hope that you enjoy it, and stay tuned to see how the flooring turns out. Should have that video up for you guys next week. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.